My name's Dick Vopney, and why we like it. Right? Is that right? And anyway, I used to row, and I thought this was kind of a wimpy sport. It is not. It's one of the better sports I've ever come across. And everybody's socially, well, you can tell by this gathering, it is a wonderful, wonderful sport. So I encourage anybody out there to try it, because it's not only good healthy-wise, but to be able to meet such wonderful people is great.
It's great.
Well, we practice twice a week, and that's an interesting question, because this team, the best team, has two of the best coaches in the world, my friends. And they give us exercises for half an hour before, and then after, when you're all pooped out, they give you another half an hour to stretch. And that's what most of us don't do it enough, including me, is stretching. So half an hour, that's what they say about this sport. Half an hour of half an hour of strength, and half of it is due to strength, and half of it is due to technique. Bullet belly.
I need a bra. These muscles are getting so big.
How old are you?
78.
I'm 80.
He's even older.
Don't I look it? I'm 82. Well, my mother's 104, so, but she's not paddling yet.
You come from Vancouver? Are you?
Oh yeah, from Vancouver. Smart enough to have left Winnipeg 100 years ago. So it's a great part of the world, right here. Well, I appreciate you talking to us.
Yeah.
The medal.
Gold.
Not gold.
Thanks.
We only got second place.
We have lane one, so we're going down the course. Our warm-up, a nice long warm-up, we're going down, we're going to get into that lane we like on that right side, line it up. All the boats are coming in, then we'll take a deep breath there. Right. Run a slant to the line, run the line, and it's going. It's 1, 2, strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, and drive.
Yeah, my husband's retired. I don't want to retire yet. Oh, all day long I have one reason.
啊，这么多人看海呀！终点在拍，那个起点。
爸爸看人家怎么上船的，大家一起。
人家说你说的什么呀？听不懂。对，看看他们怎么上船，看他们怎么上船，怎么下船，我这个还是有点技巧。
利用风向，那我们就翻版图的算。
还挺多啊。 帮他 hold on 死了。
You can take a picture.
Wow.
Abnormals from Florida.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Your name?
Chris from Florida.
Florida.
Yes. I think we're the only team here. We're the only team in Florida? We're the only team here
Yeah, I
in
think
Florida.
so.
Only team, one team. Number one team. It's really fun. I think it's the second largest in the world. Having a good time, meeting some good people, paddling with some great friends. A lot of fun. Having a good time. We got to win. Want to win too at the same time.
Good luck.
Thank you.
50-50, so they're raffle tickets, really.
Oh, there's like a beer pong. Beer pong, right? Are you
Not quite.
What happens to the balls after?
We reuse them next year.
Oh, I thought you were gonna give it away. Oh, I thought you were gonna put it on the
Yeah. So maybe buy a ticket then to support the youth programs, underprivileged children. Come on, FNF! Oh, go! Dick!
We're not going to be able to sell.
Yeah, number 3.
That's right, that's right. That's right. Yeah. It is. That's her right there. Yep. That's her right there. Look. You see her? That's her right there. Yes, that's right there. They finished fourth.
They need some extra cheering.
That's close. They gave him 4.
That's very close game. So close. Do you know the schedule? Are they doing all the finals this afternoon? No? Is it automatic clicking? Oh my. Is taking pictures too?
I'm Linda, and I come from the Bay Area in California, and I haven't been here in 5 years. So coming to this venue has been a bigger surprise. It's a much bigger event, very much organized, and we're having a great time. Met a lot of new people, and it's just a good event. Okay, well, in the Bay Area, we have, I'm sure, like 40 plus teams out there, and we all compete. And then there's a Southern California area that has a lot of dragon boating as well. And of course, Portland is a very big community that has dragon boating. So when we have these big races, there's one in Treasure Island, there's a couple in Portland, there's one in Long Beach. These places have lots of participants. There are like over 100 participants in each of the venues. So if you're interested in dragon boating, these are the places to go. Also, there's places in Arizona, Tempe, Arizona, that has dragon boating. So it's all over the world. So if you like to travel, this is a good opportunity to try it out, to travel. If you're asking if it's therapeutic, yes. I mean, you can get all your frustrations out when you paddle. But it's a good exercise. It uses your core body, it uses your arms and legs, and it's just a great exercise for any age. My daughter started when she was 2 years old. She started to hold the paddle when she was 1, so now she's 12 and 13, so it's for any age. Camaraderie of the dragon boat community is awesome. Everyone's very supportive and very helpful, and they welcome anybody who like to come into this community. So whenever you have a new team, you just ask any other team, and they'll be happy to help make you grow.
Oh yeah.
So we just so they started really getting on our case. So I just told Jeff to get flushing now.
Well, Ross and I, yeah, it's like, I don't think so. yeah, I don't think so. Hello? We like
Well, that's their motto. Is that what it is? Okay. Well, that's good. That's good. Well, any sport, you're serious about it, you work hard, and you get healthier because it helps you. There's exercise there, and makes you more aware of yourself. So, and this Vancouver is such a large community to do that. I mean, look at the facilities here. It's awesome.
For sure.
Congratulations!
20s and 6.
Where are you from? From the USA?
Yeah, Portland.
Really? Yeah. Oh, these are? Oh, good.
Come on, Annie!
Oh, Annie's from 4, Jim.
4?
Yeah, that's chicken.
Oh, yeah. Come on, Annie!
I don't think they're going to do it.
Push!
He's coming up.
Nice! Walk it up, guys! Push! Good serve.
It's unfortunate I didn't know that later when you look at the water. Maybe we could have gone down.
Because they use a lot of energy for this, right? And they learn to work together as a team, and they, I think, learn good sportsmanship. And then with my team, they also are expected to do volunteer work, give back to the community, whether it's the paddling community or the local community. So they do a lot of volunteer work, and I've been doing it for 24 years, so I don't think I would be doing it this long if I didn't think it was worthwhile for them. I think we're the oldest North American team. We're the oldest North American junior team. It's Eric Hamber Secondary School in Vancouver. Yeah, in Vancouver. And but we paddle out of a paddling club called Falls Creek Racing Canoe Club. Yes, definitely. I think it increases their leadership ability. A lot of them have gone on to continue paddling, and they also do volunteer work. Like I have some of my alumni. They coach a special needs team, and I have alumni that coaches this team right now. And this year we have 4 alumni who are going to that made the national team, and so they're going to be going to Hungary this summer to represent Canada at the World Dragon Boat races. And then my junior team is going to go to nationals in August, and we're hoping that we might be able to represent Canada at World Club Crew in 2014 in Italy. So we'll see what happens. The name of our school is Eric Hamber Secondary, and I'm Judy Chan, and we've been paddling for 24 years, and I believe we are the oldest junior team in North America. I don't think there's anyone older because Dragon Boat started in Vancouver, and when they allowed juniors to race, we were the first one in, and we are still doing it. So we're the original team, and still the original team. I think we're one of the last original teams to be paddling still. I think the benefits that individual young paddlers gain out of it, there's a sense of camaraderie, a sense of community, a sense of family, and yes, it's a dragon boat family. Yes. And we have lots of traditions, and this one promised to grow for me over the summer. Yes, you'll be taller than me. Yeah. And so we have a lot of people on the team, and this year we even had an international student on the team from Brazil, so that was our first year we had a Brazilian. So, it's always interesting, it's never the same, always exciting to see how they grow over the season. We've come in first in the race, but we didn't win the overall race. But if you look at the time spread is not that large, so they did very, very well. So we're looking at this as preparation for nationals. So hopefully they'll save their best for the nationals.
Thank you very much.
How are you gonna keep your head up?
I don't know. No, you can't think about it. You just gotta go. Get in here.
We call it dreadnoughts.
So
Wait, so how are you going to I jump further out. Wait. Everybody we all gotta go. Let's just all jump. Alright, ready? It doesn't matter. It's so far away. On road. 1, 2, 3, go!
everybody, 10-second interval. So it's your job to get up to the start line without collapsing down. It's going to move fast, and it is your job to move up. All right, everybody, could I please have 1, 2, 3, and 4 together on the line now? 1, you're in great position. 2, you're good.
He's got another pedal on it. That's what it's great Don't wear much. much clothing, you know it's cold. Otherwise, these are the basketball. They would be defenseless.
Okay, the group that's pushing off right now.
Look at the Surge 6 is one West. West.
You know what? They have obviously worked on a police system. Good for them. It's nice. These guys.
And there you go.
Actually, you know what? These last three are going to be the ones to watch. From the great.
by definition you see down to the you don't know if you won.
I didn't know those two were separately.
Unless you basically pass like 8 groups and you're just one. John, that was almost too close. There was like, do you have friends on some of the boats? Or are you cheering for a particular team? Well, they used to have one. Yeah.
like this job?
Oh, I always have a blast every year. It's lots of fun. Please come by the Rio Tinto Alcan Dragon Boat Festival. It's always a lot of fun, whether you're watching, participating, or volunteering.
Can I have your name?
Jennifer. Thank you. Not involved in organizing. I'm just the dock master. So I'm involved in getting the boats out on time for the race and getting them back in and loaded. And I have a great bunch of volunteers. So I don't know, maybe the hardest thing is keeping it all on schedule, but it all works out in the end. Thank you.
Oh yeah, it was a great experience, really fun. It's nothing like being on the docks, seeing the races come in. But yeah, it was a great experience.
There's some more numbers down there.
So what is the most difficult part in organizing these activities?
The logistics.
So are you the logistic manager?
No, I'm just a volunteer. But I'm having a lot of fun.
You enjoy it?
Yes.
Thank you.
Grabbing the delineator. Grab one of those delineators. The things that bring it over here. Do you want the background or just you guys?
Big yellow. 1, 2, 3. All Street! Awesome. Congratulations, guys.
Yeah, I live on a boat not far from here, so I volunteer when I can.
Thanks.
Yeah.
The ones are separate.
Separate, you want them on a separate.
Hello.
Getting 20 people to think the same way and to want to do the same thing. The smiles on everybody's face at the end of a good race. Brad Howie, H-O-W-I-E.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Yeah.
So how do you enjoy organizing these activities?
It's fun when it's over after, because we start planning 6 months ago. So now it's over, but I still do other events after this, Harrison and Victoria. I run those events too.
And what is which is the most difficult part?
It's just setting up race course, getting everything organized, but I have very good staff working under me, so it makes it a lot easier. But this is the biggest one with over 180 teams. The other ones are much smaller. So it takes, so I'm just happy, everybody had fun, no major problems.
Can I have your name?
That's Greg Lamb. Thank you.
Chocolate.
Yeah, like those.